Hello everyone. So I am Shruti Ahuja and today we will revise the whole chapter of biological classification from botany. It is important for NEET, your CUET examination, or we can say class 11 examination, school exams also. And many times we get confused between the differences between what were the specifications and the points here, right? So let's revise them in a new version. So first of all, I'm having Aristotle. You must have heard his name. He was the first scientist to classify between plants and animals, right? Now, how to learn that he was the first scientist? A. Aristotle's name starts with A and A is the first alphabet in the series. So, first scientist A. In plants and animals, what type of plants can you see outside? Herbs, shrubs and trees. Herb, shrub, tree. Then animals. Animals are those Enyma and Anyma, which have RBC and which don't have RBC. So, Anyma, if we add anything like A before some words, it represents the absence of. A, absence of. So, RBC, absent. And Enyma, RBC, present. So, now let's come on to the second scientist, Carolus Linnaeus. So, Carolus Linnaeus, I told you in the Living World chapter also that he gave binomial nomenclature. And he also changed his name from Carl von Linnaeus to Carolus Linnaeus, binomial nomenclature. So, he loves the word two. So, he gave two kingdom classification again. That is plants and animals again. So, how will you learn the differences between these two? Which specifications he gave? RMLC, Ram Manohar Lohia College. This is a famous mnemonic, right? So, from R, we get response. Do plants respond? According to him, no. And animals do respond. Then, mode of nutrition. Autotrophic, heterotrophic. Locomotion. Plants don't show locomotion and animals show. These are according to him and may not be true in today's world, right? So, C for contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole is not present in plants but it is present in animals, right? For example, we can say amoeba. Next, I am having the cell wall. Cell wall is present in plants. It is a common difference and in animals it is not present. Next, we come on to the drawbacks. What were the drawbacks of these earlier classification systems? Maybe Aristotle's or Carl von Linnaeus one, right? So, for drawbacks, we can divide organisms into prokaryote, eukaryote. So, these two were also not divided. They were in the same kingdoms. Heterotrophic, autotrophic, these were also not divided properly. And we can get unicellular and multicellular. These were also not divided. Next, I am having 5 kingdom classification, 5 kingdom positive points. So, all these which were not segregated properly were segregated in the 5 kingdom classification. Next, come on to the 5 kingdom classification. So, here I can justify this point, right? First of all, they divided into prokaryote and eukaryote. Nucleus is the foremost, main part of the cell. So, prokaryote, eukaryote. Then eukaryote can be divided into unicellular or multicellular. Now, if I am having multicellular, I can have heterotrophic, mode of nutrition and autotrophic. Just understand that PE is here also. Unicellular, multicellular is here also and HA is here also, right? This is very easy to remember. So, from prokaryotes, you can remember of Monera kingdom. Eukaryotes, there are 2. Unicellular is Protista. And in multicellular, autotrophic are plants and heterotrophic are fungi and animals. Let's move on to the sixth kingdom classification. In sixth kingdom classification, the Monera is subdivided into two kingdoms, that is Archaea and the Eubacteria. Archaebacteria are the primitive ones and the Eubacteria are the true bacteria. Now, we can say that in the Eubacteria, the cell wall is composed of the peptidoglycan, and in Archaebacteria it is of complex polysaccharide and polypeptide, right? Peptidoglycan is made up of N-acetyl muramic acid, NAM, and N-acetyl glucosamine. Now, how to remember that there is a difference of cell wall? See, in bacteria, nucleus, organelles, everything is primitive or absent, right? So, the main difference would lie in something that is differentiated and like well developed. The cell wall is well developed. So, there would be difference in the cell wall. Now let's move on to the last part, that is the three domains. The three domains are the Archaebacteria, Eubacteria and the Eukarya. Archaebacteria, Eubacteria I told you before, but the Eukarya refers to the whole this thing. This is the Eukarya part. So now I hope you have understood it very well, and in the next video I will tell you about the kingdom Monera and the kingdom Protista in very short. So if you like this video, then do like this video and subscribe the channel.